we're going to speak about the great project of urban plantation in West Africa. As a reference, another type of this project have already caused in Indonesia an ecological disaster. The most part in form of massive deforestation and huge degradation of the soils. So the project is an New York-based agricultural farm, which is called Heracles Farm. So this farm announced its plan to plant a massive area of oilcane. It's about 400,000 acres of oil mine. So we can see that the plantation should be built in the middle of 4 national parks in Cameroon and above Nigeria. So here there is a complex ecosystem with many apps and many exotic trees. And we can suppose that if the firm creates if unexpected massive deforestation in this area will easily create irreparable damages in this biodiversity. So, in the forest, we can see many apes, and all these animals belong to an endangered species. So we have the red ergenon, red columbus, and the drake. And we also project that an economical development of this region will incite many people to migrate and to live in forest. And we know that there is no place for both animals and people.
Yeah, well, continuing with the presentation, the bushmeat trade is already a big issue in this area. With more workers coming to this place, this problem could become even worse. So, what does bushmeat means? Well, initially this word was referred to the hunting of wild animals in the west and in the central part of Africa. But today this term is commonly used for meat of terrestrial wild animals killed for subsistence or commercial purposes throughout the humid tropics of Americas, Asia, and Africa too. So in one hypothetical situation, if this plantation gets the final go-ahead by the Cameroon government, it will disrupt important wildlife migration routes and isolate wildlife populations by preventing their interconnection. Also, the Red Ecosphere has already said that they have the intention to create wildlife corridors, but again, with more people coming to this place. will be hardly possible to achieve this. There is no doubt that this huge oil palm plantation would cause significant economic benefits, especially in form of new jobs. The Oracle's film has already mentioned the number of 9,000 new jobs for poor African people. So, some conclusions of us. Nevertheless, even if we're a positive economic prospect, this wouldn't have been used as a goal because for many people in this area, it means to support this new palm oil plantation for the reason that they currently fear continuing to lose their forest, not to mention to being surrounded by oil palms, and perhaps into the future even being forced to be relocated. Second, trying to develop a sustainable and friendly environment oil industry in Africa. This is not so easy as the Oracle's film has already said, because will be always a human impact since the beginning of the project, again in the forest. Third, also even the positive social ambitions for better economic prosperity, they aren't enough to justify potentially and irreparable damage to Africa's rich biodiversity. So some reflections about the future situation with the oil palm plantation in Cameroon. The rich biodiversity of species, animals, ecosystems will change with massive plantations with the same palm plant. It means that the state of the land will change. The minerals of the land will be excessive. The whole